Are you tired of hunting through Loom's confusing menus to find the password option? Watch this and you'll change your password in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through Loom's personal settings, open Atlassian, and update your password in just a few clicks. First, click on Personal Settings. Click View on Atlassian. Now, click on Security to access the password options. Type your current password into the field provided. Next, type your new password in the field below. Finally, click Save Changes. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.